Hello, friends. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to see you again. Welcome to episode 19.
Charlotte, I am very excited today. Do you know why?
I think I know. Is it because today is Friday?
Yes, it is Friday, and that means the weekend is coming.
I love the weekend. Saturday and Sunday are my favorite days.
Today, we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about weekend plans.
Yes, we will learn how to say what you want to do in the future. We will use the phrase going to.
Going to. This is the secret to talking about your plans.
If you want to tell your friends about your Saturday, you need this episode.
Are you ready to plan your weekend?
I am ready, Leo. Let us unlock our English.
Okay, Charlotte, let us start with the most important grammar rule for today.
The rule is for the future, but not the far future, like in 10 years. We are talking about plans.
A plan is something you decided to do. You thought about it before.
Exactly. Imagine you have a ticket in your hand. You have a ticket for a movie. It's a plan.
When you have a plan, we use the phrase going to.
Let us practice that. Going to.
Repeat after me. Going to.
Perfect. The structure is simple. You say, I am plus going to plus the action.
For example, I am going to sleep.
Or, she is going to eat.
It is very easy. Just remember the verb to be. I am, you are, she is, and then going to.
Charlotte, tell me, what are you going to do this weekend?
That is a good question. My first plan is very simple. I am going to relax.
Oh, that is a great word. Let us teach that. The word is relax.
Relax.
To relax means to rest, to be calm. No work, no homework, just peace.
Example 1. On Saturday morning, I am going to relax on the sofa.
Example 2. My father is going to relax in the garden.
Listeners, please repeat the word relax.
Good. And now repeat the full sentence. I am going to relax.
Very good. Everyone needs to relax.
But Leo, you cannot relax all weekend. You need to see your friends.
You are right. I want to see my friends. So, my second word is a very cool phrase. It is hang out.
Oh, I love this phrase. Hang out.
Hang out.
This is a phrasal verb. Hang out means to spend time with friends. You don't do anything special. You just talk and laugh together.
Yes, it is casual, informal.
Example 1. I am going to hang out with my sister.
Example 2. We are going to hang out at the park.
Listeners, this is very common in English. Repeat after me. Hang out.
Now, repeat the sentence. I am going to hang out with my friends.
Excellent. Use this phrase and you will sound like a native speaker.
Okay, Charlotte, what is your plan? What are you going to do?
Well, I love cinema, so this weekend I am going to catch a movie.
Ooh, interesting. Catch a movie.
Catch a movie.
Wait, Charlotte. Catch? Like catching a ball?
Not exactly. In this context, catch a movie means to go to the cinema to watch a film.
Oh, I understand. It's an expression.
Yes. Example 1. I am going to catch a movie on Saturday night.
Example 2. Do you want to catch a movie with me?
Listeners, repeat this phrase. Catch a movie.
And the sentence, I am going to catch a movie.
Good job.
So, Charlotte is going to the cinema. I am going to the park, but I have one more plan for Sunday.
What is it, Leo?
On Sunday, I am going to visit my grandmother.
That is very nice. The word is visit.
Visit.
To visit means to go to see a person or a place. Usually, you stay for a short time.
Example 1. I am going to visit my family.
Example 2. We are going to visit a museum.
Listeners, please repeat the word visit.
And the sentence, I am going to visit my family.
Perfect. Visit is a very useful verb for travel too.
Charlotte, can we talk about pronunciation for a moment?
Yes, please. Fluency is important.
When native speakers say going to fast, sometimes it sounds different.
Yes, sometimes we say gonna.
Gonna. It is informal. You write going to, but you speak gonna.
For example, I'm gonna relax.
She is gonna visit.
You don't have to use gonna. Going to is perfect. But you will hear gonna in movies and songs.
That is a great tip. So, Charlotte, let us practice a conversation. I will ask you about your plans.
Okay, I am ready.
Charlotte, what are you going to do on Saturday morning?
I am going to relax at home.
Nice. And what are you going to do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I am going to hang out with my best friend Tom.
That sounds fun. Are you going to catch a movie?
No, we are not going to catch a movie. We are going to play video games.
Cool. And Sunday?
On Sunday, I am going to visit my grandmother. We are going to eat lunch together.
That is a perfect weekend.
Now, listeners, I have a challenge for you.
Yes. Think of one plan.
Use the structure I am going to plus your action.
Maybe I am going to cook or I am going to sleep.
Say it out loud right now.
Good.
Charlotte, we learned 4 important vocabulary phrases today. Let us review them quickly.
Okay. Number 1. To rest and be calm.
Relax. I am going to relax.
Number 2. To spend time with friends casually.
Hang out. I am going to hang out.
Number 3. To go to the cinema.
Catch a movie. I am going to catch a movie.
And number 4. To go see a person or a place.
Visit. I am going to visit.
You guys are doing great.
Charlotte, do you have a motivational quote for this episode?
I do. This quote is about planning. It's from a famous writer, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry.
I am listening.
He said, "A goal without a plan is just a wish."
Wow, can you repeat that?
A goal without a plan is just a wish.
That is powerful. If you want to learn English, you need a plan.
Exactly. And your plan is to listen to this podcast and practice.
Today, you practiced the future. That is a great step.
We are very proud of you.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your plans.
Yes, enjoy. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.